3 things you would bring to a desert island?
I would bring the Count of Monte Cristo, I'd bring a case of wine, and I would bring my cat. I'm Margaret Boerner. I'm a bartender at Sovereign Remedies in Asheville, North Carolina, and I'm actually from Asheville, North Carolina. Today I'm going to be making some daiquiris. We're going to start with a traditional daiquiri, and then I'm going to move into our Sovereign House cocktail, the Root Daiquiri, which is a Sovereign classic at this point. It's been on our menu since we opened in 2014. So, the name Sovereign Remedies is all about mountain herbal healing properties. So, here we go. With the daiquiri, we are always going to want to start with fresh lime juice. So it'll be 3/4 of an ounce. And then you'll do your simple 3/4 of an ounce. And then you'll do 2 ounces of your rum if you're doing the classic daiquiri build. I chose Bacardi because it's really approachable. Everybody knows Bacardi, and it's known for being perfect for a daiquiri. And with these simple cocktails like daiquiris, you want to be really particular about the kinds of ingredients you're using. So always juicing fresh, using organic sugar. Really, the more simple the cocktail, the more important it is to have fresh ingredients. And you'll always want to double strain so that you don't bruise the cocktail. It keeps the dilution the right ratio. So you'll strain out those little ice chips. And then garnish it with a lime wedge. And there you have your classic daiquiri. Nice and simple, very summery. Moving into the root daiquiri. So what makes our root daiquiri really unique and special, and it's why I chose it, is that we've modified a syrup. So we start with demarara sugar, and then we infuse that demarara sugar with sarsaparilla, burdock, and dandelion root, hence the root daiquiri. So the reason that we chose those particular roots is because of their healing properties, which is what Sovereign Remedies is about. For our house daiquiri, you're going to do 3/4 of our root syrup, 3/4 of the fresh lime juice, and 1.5 ounces of Flor de Caña aged rum. We choose the aged rum because it just has a little bit more like caramel flavor to it. It's a little bit more interesting, and it helps bring out the sarsaparilla specifically in the root syrup. And you want to chill your glasses down so that you don't put all this work into getting the liquid cold and pour it into a warm glass. Kind of defeats the purpose. And it also gets the little lime wedge garnish, and there you have it. There's our Sovereign Root Daiquiri.